In this example, we are going to determine check digits for ISBNs. Any book published in the U.S. is assigned an ISBN, which is an International Standard Book Number. Now, prior to 2007, ISBNs were 10-digit numbers, where the last digit of the number is the check digit. But after 2007, the U.S. instituted a 13-digit ISBN to all new and previously published books. The 13-digit ISBN assignments all start with the three digits 9, 7, and 8. So previously published books kept their original ISBN but had the 978 number attached to the front of it. Now the original 10-digit ISBN used modulo 11 to determine its check digit, while the 13-digit ISBN assignments use modulo 10 to determine its check digit. So for this example, it says, the book To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee has the original 10-digit ISBN 0446310078, and then we have a hashtag there, and that is where the check digit would be. So we're going to determine the check digit for this ISBN. So the 10-digit ISBN uses a particular weighted scheme that looks like this. Digit 10, a subscript of 10, this is the 10th digit, which is the check digit. And that's equal to the first digit plus 2 times the second digit plus 3 times the third digit plus 4 times the fourth digit, 5 times the fifth digit, plus 6 times the sixth digit, plus 7 times the seventh digit, 8 times the eighth digit, and plus 9 times the ninth digit. And this was all modulo 11. So then all we do is we just take each digit and slug it in its respective place here. So here's 0, at 0 right here. 4, 2 times 4, that's 8. Here's 4, 3 times 4, that's 12. 6 is the next digit, 4 times 6, that's 24. The next digit is 3, 5 times 3, that's 15. The next digit 1, 6 times 1 is 6. Then we have 0, 7 times 0 is 0. Then we have 7, 8 times 7. That's 56. And finally, 8 is our last digit. 9 times 8 is 72. Then we add all these up, and it adds up to 193. And that's 193 modulo 11. Now for 193, in order to determine 11 goes into 193, we could repeat the process again. And if you remember, for module 11, we go to the last digit and we count every other digit after that, just add. So 3 plus 1, that's 4. And then, of course, all we have here is the 9. And we subtract. So that's negative 5. So we could take negative 5 modulo 11. So we'll take a practical approach on our number line here. Here's negative 5. Here's 0. So if we're at negative 5 and I come back 11, I end up at 6. And that's our check digit. So then for A, the 10-digit ISBN is 0-446-31078, and then our last one is our check digit, which is 6, which we found. And there we go. So then B says, determine the check digit for the 13-digit ISBN for To Kill a Mockingbird. Now the 13-digit uses a different weighted scheme to determine it. It's also modulo 10. So its scheme is the 13th digit, which will be the check digit. That's going to be equal to 10 minus the first digit plus 3 times the second digit plus the third digit plus 3 times the fourth digit plus the fifth digit plus 3 times the sixth digit. As you could see, we multiply 3 to the alternating digits there, plus the seventh digit, plus 3 times the eighth digit, plus the ninth digit, plus 3 times the 10th digit, plus the 11th digit, and finally plus 3 times the 12th digit. Then this is then modulo 10. And whatever we come up with for this, add all this up, modulo 10, whatever that comes out to be, we then subtract that from 10 over here. Now the first 3 numbers are the new numbers 9, 7, and 8. All 13-digit ISBNs will start with 9, 7, and 8. So this first digit here is going to be 9. This one's going to be 7. 7 times 3. That's 21. This will be 8. And then we start using the original 10-digit numbers to fill in here. 3 times 0. That's 0. Then we have 4. Then we have 4 again. 3 times 4. That's 12. 6. Then 3, 3 times 3, that's 9. Then 1, 0, 3 times 0, that's 0. 7, and then 8, 3 times 8, that is 24. We then add all this up, modulo 10, this comes out to be 101. Mod 10. And the good thing about modulo 10 is that the remainder is always the last digit of the number. So this is going to be equal to 1. We then take this and subtract it from 10. So this becomes 10 minus 1. Of course, 10 minus 1 is 9. So 9 becomes our check digit. So then the 13-digit ISBN for To Kill a Mockingbird will be 978 0 446 31078, and then the check digit -9. And there we go.